Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Oh man, it's such a hot day in Florida today. You can see I'm pouring sweat right now. I just got done. I spent like 2 hours detailing up the Mach. It's finally dry out today. It's been raining like non-stop for the past like 3 or 4 days, so she was pretty filthy. So I cleaned up the engine bay a little bit and cleaned her up. So she is looking mighty fine today. Oh yeah, very happy right now. She was definitely feeling a little neglected, but that's okay. I made her feel good. Clean up the interior a little bit too. I didn't vacuum, but you know, I got my stuff in the back seat. But you know, just spoofed her up a little bit. No big deal. But today I'll be picking up Cameron. This will be his first time in the Mach 1, but I'll be picking up Cameron and taking him to his buddies. He's got his Terminator Cobra there, and I think he's doing a clutch swap. Doing a clutch job on his Termy. And apparently, for what he said, I guess his buddy has some pretty cool rides over at his shop. So I've never been there. So this will be my first time, as well as you guys see what they have at the shop and see the Mach 1 there too. So I guess I'll meet you guys when I see Cameron. So peace out. Nah, I'm just playing. You know what got to come next, the cold start. So get ready. Guys, we were just through the drive-through and me and Cameron spotted something pretty cool. Hopefully we'll be able to see it real quick. Yeah, there it is. You just got it. You think you can point that camera? Freaking GT500 right there. Sick. Man, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Legal turn.
You gotta make a U-turn? Yeah. You ain't gotta tell me twice. Oh, how I wish I had the turn right now. Make a U-turn, you said?
Yeah.
Can't believe I have these cups in the way. Alright, so where are we going? We going straight?
I-4 east.
I-4 east, okay. No! Turn right, turn right!
Oh, just shut off. You low on
No,
battery?
it's still on, it's still on, it's still on. Oh, I think it's fun. Guys, we just made it over to Cameron's buddy's house. I got the Mach hood popped over. Got this little guy right here to show me what the man's got. He's got some amazing cars, so nice shop, and we'll try and explain some of this. So this one's a 4i, and it's a twin turbo, just freaking powerhouse. Yeah, you're laughing because you know it's fast.
I do know it's fast. Because I've been in it really.
Yeah, wow.
And I was going really fast.
Yeah, it's a twin turbo. I mean, this thing is just absolutely wild, gorgeous too. But that's not all he's got. So let me turn around. He's got 2 Lightnings, 2nd gen and a 1st gen, both white, which is awesome. You got Cameron's Terminator over there. You got a really nice GT Mustang. It's automatic actually, but it's just really nice, convertible. Low miles actually, which is just nice to see.
It's also a convertible.
Yeah, convertible. And then you've got this. I've never seen one before in person. 93 teal Cobra, but it's got a big old blower boy on here. It's cam too. I'll insert a clip of it idling. sounds so freaking good, dude. I mean, just gorgeous car. And then he got a Coyote swap, black on black, notchback. It's just insane that he drag races. Really, really fast. Then of course you got Cameron's beautiful Terminator. Yeah, you can touch it. Cameron's trying to get the clutch installed, but he's got some solid rear in the back, strange parts. So it's pretty sick. Got the Borla S-type exhaust on there. So this is an awesome place. It really is. I can't even really talk. I mean, that is stupid fast. That sounds incredible. That's super fast. What's your favorite car? The blue one? Not the one in the back? No, I'm just playing. Yeah, I just cannot believe all this stuff's here, man. This is wild. My first time coming. I really like these 4Eyes a lot. I like the gauges. I'll come over here.
All those gauges. And the horn barely works.
The horn barely works?
Yeah, you can barely hear it when it's driving.
Yeah, this is so retro. This is so cool.
But it used to sound amazing.
And look at that. These seats look super comfortable too.
Oh,
I ain't never seen.
If you can push on it.
Yeah, you said what? You fell asleep in this car?
Yeah, I fell asleep for 1.5 hours maybe.
Yeah, just super cool. You got old girl over there? What are you laughing? Oh, got bare brakes on here. He's got the factory Cobra wheels, which I really think is pretty cool. You never see these wheels that much, so that's nice. But this Lightning, he said it makes about 450, 500 to the tire. It's got a ported blower, a few bolt-ons and whatnot, so pretty cool. This square body, I don't know too much about it, but he said that it's pretty much just been a daily driver or something like that. Really nice truck. Cameron, which clutch you going with?
Cloud RXT.
RXT. Now, what'd you have in this before?
Spec 3.
The Spec 3.
Very hard on the foot.
Yeah, I know, because we run a Spec in our Terminator and we hate it. Now you're upgrading your spline, right?
Oh yeah, 26 spline.
26 spline, okay. We have just a stock input shaft in ours. We got the 10 spline with the 10 spline Spec 3 clutch. I hate that clutch, dude. It's awful. It holds power good, but driving, just regular driving, it is terrible. Terrible. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool. Let's see what else you got done to it real quick. Let's get the welds on. He's got subframe connectors on it. I need to get subframes for the Terminator. I got them on my Mach 1, but not on the Terminator. Cam, this fuel right here? You upgraded your fuel system right here?
Yeah.
What's the setup?
Dash 8 feet line.
Dash.
Dual 465 Walbro pumps. Just basic.
Basic, and it's only 85, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I thought. And you got the Borla catback. You got headers, right? Or stock headers? Stock headers? Okay. I see you. I see him.
No. We're using a rag on the flywheel. You're gonna need a rag in your other hand. Hold that flywheel.
What's up?
What's your Instagram again?
It's snakebitten _ 97. Cool. Well, my GoPro pretty much died, so I had to get a new battery, but Cameron pretty much tightened up everything on the clutch. So Did you already get the input shaft put in? Have you done that yet? Not done that? You done that yet?
Yeah, that was put in last week.
Oh, cool. Oh, I haven't been doing a very good job. I keep on forgetting the freaking film. But getting close to putting in the trans. We're getting close to having it bolted down. Clutch is already in. So making some pretty good progress. Hopefully we'll get it started tonight and be able to take it home. Yeah, that car is pretty sick because that one's been on. Also Mustang can fast forward, so it's pretty sick. I can't even talk. Pretty much got the transmission mounted up. Well, I haven't done much filming, but we're almost finished. Drive shaft in. They're bolting up the exhaust right now. And then I think we just got to plug in a couple O2 sensors, and I think she might be ready for her first start, right?
Yep, it's a 16.
Awesome.
Mine's been away from me.
You need me to drive in front the way home? I can guide you. Come on. I think I'm more excited than you. I'm ready to see it start. Cameron, who did your rear end? You said TRZ did?
Yeah.
So you got a, it says it's a built 8.8, right?
Yeah. 35 spline axles.
Built 8.8. 35 splines?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a runner. We're not saying drive it, but we're just saying the weather's probably pretty great right now for boost. That's all we're saying. Even though it's wet out, you should probably still drive it.
I feel the air. It's awesome. Oh, yeah.
Holy crap, yeah. It feels great, yeah.
That's really good.
He'll drive it home. He'll drive it home.
The truck will get it.
Alright, let's plug in some O2 sensors. Big cam's tightening, or you plug in the last one?
Yeah.
Plug in the last one. And then I think it's first start coming up, so he's just making it look a little party. So twin turbo with a 363 cubic inch motor. 5.0, I believe, with a Vortex supercharger on it, S trim. Freaking nasty. I know it says 5 liter, but I think he said it was a different cubic inch motor. I don't know. And then Gen 2 Coyote and a notchback. All right, they're lowering her down. It's been a really fun day. So I got to hang out with the dudes. Saw a 2020 GT500. I got to learn how to do a clutch and put all that stuff together, which is pretty cool. I've never done it before, so that was fun. And then I got to see all these amazing freaking cars. I got to drive the Mach today, so it's been a pretty fun day. So we're almost ready to start her up and see how it does. So I love that paint matched cold air.
And I'm gonna need a 2 pound lower, so 2 pounds is gonna sell mine. Yeah, but 4 pounds.
You having trouble getting in? Putting the shifter back on?
Yep.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Seats are really clean. Yeah, this is nice. I've always liked Lightnings. I've always loved the seats. I always thought that was like the coolest like touch. And of course the white face gauges is just an SVT classic, you know how we do. But Cameron's close to putting his shifter on, and then he should be starting it soon. No way. Checks? Do you take checks? Credit or debit? Got the bare brakes on it. I want it. That's awesome. All right. Ooh, I smell the E85, boy. Yes, sir.
It's like real soft.
That's what it's like. There they're spinning.
Yep, they're spinning. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I got home really late last night, but it was all in good fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope you guys enjoyed seeing the Mach and seeing everybody just hang out and have a good time. I got to meet some new friends, and I just couldn't be happier. I got to learn a couple things about doing clutch jobs and stuff, which I thought was really fun. If you liked the video, subscribe and like the video if you like. Hopefully I'll be able to do some more stuff for them in the future, and hopefully you guys can just see us just have more fun and just see what we can do with them. Hopefully we'll go to Speed World or something and see what the Mach can do, or see what they can do, and just have a blast. So thanks, guys.